Yo guys, I wish us much energy. We are almost done with our series of physiology and biochemistry of hormones, and I think today we'll be talking about sex hormones. Okay, so let's proceed. What are sex hormones? Sex hormones are basically steroids, okay, that control sexual maturity and reproduction. These hormones are produced by the gonads, that's the testes and ovaries. Okay, testes and ovaries are collectively called the gonads. While both males and females have all types of these hormones present in their bodies, and the females produce a majority of two of them, that's estrogen and progesterone, while the males produce what? Only androgens, such as what? Testosterone. Okay, so let's move. First of all, we'll be talking about testosterone. I would have loved if we talk about estrogen first, but this is what the handout got for us. Because estrogen is a C18 steroid, testosterone is a C19, and the progesterone is a C21. But we'll start with the testosterone. Okay. So what is the testosterone? First of all, testosterone is a C19 steroid, and it is synthesized by what the Leydig cells of the testes. Okay. And the regulation of synthesis is by what? Luteinizing hormone. In target cells, it is converted to what? Dihydrotestosterone. Okay, so it's like the testosterone is a prohormone, while the active part is what? The dihydrotestosterone. So let's move. And the testosterone, okay, yeah, is being explained here. The testosterone is the prohormone, and the dihydrotestosterone is the active hormone. You should note this. It develops and maintains what? The male secondary sex characteristics, along with what? Follicle-stimulating hormones. It also maintains, okay, along with follicle-stimulating hormones, okay, that's their synergist. They maintain spermatogenesis. It exerts an important protein anabolic, okay. That's our growth promoting effect, okay. Anabolic is like the build up, okay. So it's encourages the buildup of protein. Right, so these are the sex hormones, just an image trying to show the sex hormones. You can see that the estrogen is for women, you see that the testosterone is for what? Guys, and the progesterone is basically um a pregnancy hormone, okay? So now we'll be talking about the golden guy, which is the estrogen. Alright, so now the estrogen is what? A C18 steroid secreted by the theca interna and the granulosa cells of the what? Ovarian follicles, the corpus luteum, and the placenta. It induces what? Sex characteristics to females, and the 17 beta estradiol is the major what? Estrogen in humans, with estrone and estriol playing secondary roles. Right, so this is the estradiol, that is the 17 beta estradiol, that is the active estrogen, and this is the structure of the testosterone. Okay, so what is the use of this estrogen? Basically, it's inducing maturation of the vagina, and proliferation of the uterine endometrium, deposition of subcutaneous fat in the breast and the buttocks, and also peripheral vasodilation that causes what? A slight lowering of the body temperature. It also promotes what? Thrombus formation. How about the progesterone? The progesterone is a C21 steroid. It's secreted by the corpus luteum, the placenta, and in small amounts, okay, the follicle. The corpus luteum is a major source of what? Progesterone for the first 28 weeks of pregnancy, and the placenta later assumes dysfunction. Okay, the corpus luteum starts between 6 to 8 weeks of pregnancy, and the placenta continues the secretion of this progesterone. I'll get to learn that the corpus luteum continues to function, but late in pregnancy, the placenta makes what? 30 to 40 times more progesterone than does the corpus luteum. And this is for you to note that the placenta does not synthesize cholesterol, so it depends on what maternal supply. All right, so these are the sex hormones: estrogen, testosterone, progesterone, then thyroxine that, of course, will stimulate the activities of these sex hormones. So progesterone is it's still thermogenic, okay, like the estrogen, okay. It decreases what peripheral blood flow and thereby decreasing heat loss, so that body temperature tends to what increase, okay. The the progesterone increases the body temperature, why estrogen what decreases the body temperature. So progesterone decreases the excitability of the myometrial cells and also their sensitivity towards oxytocin. It decreases the number of estrogen receptors in the endometrium and increases the rate of conversion of 17 beta estradiol to less active estrogen. Okay, so it is like acting against estrogen. Thus, it has what? An anti-estrogenic effect on the myometrial and the endometrial cells. It stimulates the development of lobules and alveoli in the breast. It causes induction of protein synthesis in tissues. With that, guys, I think we are done talking about the sex hormones. All things being equal, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and bye for now.